So welcome back to Ali Care. If you're new here, I want you to press that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to check out my daily activities, you can go over to my blog channel. The link is posted in the description. And right, so let's get straight into it. This video is to let you know how you can get your face glowing in less than 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you will take off at least 2 to 3 years off your face, right? So you notice how my under eye here is looking very dark, right? And I have eye bags. I don't know if you've seen them. I've been working very hard from another day, and Jamaica, the sun is very hot, so I don't have that nice glow like what I have in the winter. So I'm going to show you what I do to get my skin very glowing and subtle and plump, right? Like when I'm ready to go to a function and I have this tired look on my face of, you know, being up and down in the sun and so forth. So this is what I do. Fight against any swelling of the skin. It let your skin look plump and very nice, and it also close up your pores, tighten your skin, and have your skin looking very plump and nice, if I didn't say that already. This is turmeric, but how I'm using the turmeric in this method, this turmeric, I'm using the skin, the outer part of the turmeric plus the inner part of the turmeric. So I didn't peel it, and I make it into a crushy. I didn't blend it either, and it's not turmeric powder. I use the raw turmeric, because the reason why I use the raw turmeric, because I want it to have more like a scrub feeling, right? Very coarse feeling to exfoliate the skin. And I will write here all the benefits of using the skin of the turmeric plus the turmeric. Don't peel it, blend up everything together and use it. And now this is tea tree oil. So what I have in this with the turmeric right now to get it soft and nice, that it don't be too harsh on the skin, I have coconut oil, and I'm going to use tea tree oil. So this is really an age serum remedy. So I'm going to use 3 drops of, well, that was more than 3 drops, but you can use 3 drops if your sinus is, and I'm going to mix everything together if you don't have strong sinus problem, right? So I mix everything together, and now I'm going to mix everything in. And the cleanser that I use on my face, I use vinegar. I use the natural vinegar to cleanse my face. That's what I use on my face to cleanse it. And you can tip a little vinegar in here, just a little. Apple cider vinegar might I add, just a little, not a lot. Especially if you have acne, it's good to put the vinegar in there. So this is aloe vera, turmeric, tea tree oil, coconut oil, and apple cider vinegar. Mix all ingredients together. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this on my face to hold it down. So it's good if somebody is using this on you. It's good if somebody is doing it for you. Then you would not have to take off the excess. You could just leave it. And remember what I like with this, I can put it over my eyes to take away the discoloration. Feel nice on my skin, feel very warm and nice. And I'm going to put the wrap over my face. So quickly bore a hole for the eyes. So don't worry, you won't kill yourself. You won't bug yourself to death because it's easy to just bore a hole through it. Or you can measure it, bore the hole first and then wrap it around your face. What this does, it absorbs all the bacteria and it also detoxify your face, get the swelling down and get you relaxed. So let me go and relax for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And come back. So yes guys, I've rinsed off the formula that I just make the recipe of my face. So I've rinsed off the recipe of my face and I just use some coconut oil to moisturize my face, and this is the result. If you look at my face, how smooth it is, right? So if you want a quick fix facial, take off the tiredness, couple of years off your face, trust me, this is the method for you. Now however, with the tea tree oil, try to not use so much, because I should have used just 2 drops of tea tree oil and I end up using more than 2 drops. So I had was to rinse it off my face faster than how I wanted it to stay, right? And so try not to use a lot because it's very harsh if you're using the raw tea tree oil. If you're using the tea tree liquid, then you can just use a sufficient amount, but the oil is very strong, so 1 drop or 2 drop and you're good to go. Your face will glow, your pores will be opening. If you're wondering if you're supposed, your pores will open and cleanse out properly. So if you're wondering how to close back your pores, so after you finish, you do not need to use a steam or anything, because you wrap the plastic over your face. So what happened, that steam your face with the product on it, hold it and absorb all the bacteria, all the stress, help to take away the fine line and wrinkles from your face. Your pores will also be opening. So what you need to do after rinsing off the supplement, you can use what I do. I make a natural cleanser with the vinegar. I use the vinegar to cleanse my face, and that's apple cider vinegar might I add, and I cleanse off my face. And after I do that, what I do is just use some cold water to rinse off my face, and that also helps to relax my pores. Now you do not need a mask for this recipe. All you need is the ingredients that I mix together to give you this look. While it's on your face, after you finish it, you will feel your face even tighten up. Also, all that heavy eye bags and detoxification will be gone. So you don't need no mask, and you do not need to steam your face. Just cleanse your face with a cleanser. If you want to use a mild cleanser for sensitive skin with no alcohol, you can do that, because you know that turmeric stain and you want to cleanse off all the turmeric off your face. So you can go ahead and use a mild cleanser and use cold water to rinse off back your face, to close, but make sure the pores close properly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and let me know if you enjoy or you also try this video and it's working for you. Come back and comment when done.